This lesson we'll be learning about probability, in particular chance.
What is chance? Chance is the possibility of an event occurring. We can use chance every day more than you think, like when we play scissors, paper, rock. There is an even chance we may win or lose. We can also see chance through weather reports when it tells us that it may or may not rain today. Now it is time to think, pair, share. Turn to the person next to you and tell them a time you might have used chance, and then share this with the class. Pause the video now. Fantastic! Those were some great answers. Now when we think of chance, we may mention a chance scale to measure how likely it is for an event to occur. On a chance scale, it starts with impossible. And a possible event is something that has no chance of occurring. For example, it is impossible to pick a blue jelly bean out of a bag that only has red. The scale ends with certain. A certain event is something that will definitely happen. For example, it is certain that the sun will rise tomorrow. Between impossible and certain is even chance. An event with an even chance means that it is equally likely to happen or not happen. For example, there is an even chance on a coin landing on head when it is flipped. Between impossible and even chance is unlikely. An unlikely event has very little chance of happening, like rolling a 1 on a 6-sided dice. This event is not impossible, but because there are 5 other numbers on a die, it is unlikely that a 1 will be rolled. Between even chance and certain is likely. Likely has a high chance of occurring, but unlike a certain event, it will not definitely happen. For example, it is likely you will never win the lottery.
Angie and Sam are planning their adventure for their September holidays. They want to do a lot of things, but want to make sure the weather is just right for the events.
Sam, I really want to go to the beach, movies, Luna Park and shopping for the holidays.
Well, Angie, I really want to go ice skating, Wet n Wild and putt-putt. Here is a weather chart for the next 2 weeks of the holidays. Pause the video now to investigate which day is best suited for each activity.
Let's check to see if we have achieved our learning intention. Let's reflect on these questions. What is chance? What are the different areas on a chance scale? How can we use chance for everyday events? Pause the video now and reflect. Great job! You are now an expert on chance.
Created using Powtoon.